Hello friends, welcome back to the channel PharmaChem Insights. In today's video, we will learn how to prepare zero point 0.1 normal, zero point 0.05 normal and zero point 0.01 normal sodium hydroxide solutions from a 1 normal NaOH stock using simple dilution and calculation. So let's get started. Basic formula: N1V1 is equal to N2V2. To prepare diluted solutions, we always use the formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is equal to normality of stock solution, V1 is equal to volume of stock required, N2 is equal to final normality that is needed, and V2 is equal to final volume of diluted solution. Let's see first preparation of zero point 0.1 normal NaOH solution. Preparing zero point 0.1 normal from 1 normal NaOH stock solution. Let us see by the example to prepare 100 ml of zero point 0.1 normal NaOH solution. We have formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. By substituting the values, we have 1 into V1, where 1 is the normality of stock solution and V1 is the volume of stock required, is equal to zero point 0.1 into 100, where zero point 0.1 is the desired normality we required and 100 is the final volume. So by calculating, we get V1 is equal to 10 ml. Let us see the steps to prepare. So pipette out 10 ml of 1 normal NaOH stock solution into a 100 ml volumetric flask and carefully add distilled water up to the mark and mix well. And your zero point 0.1 normal NaOH solution is ready. Preparation of 0.05 normal NaOH solution. So preparing 0.05 normal from 1 normal NaOH stock solution. Let us see this by example to prepare 100 ml of zero point 0.05 normal NaOH solution. Here I am showing the example for 100 ml. You can increase or decrease the volume of preparation as per your requirement. So we have formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. So by substituting the values, 1 into V1 is equal to 0.05 into 100, where 0.05 is your desired normality and 100 is the volume which you are preparing. So by calculation, we get V1 is equal to 5 ml. Now see the steps to prepare. Pipette out 5 ml of 1 normal NaOH stock into a 100 ml volumetric flask. Carefully add distilled water up to the mark and mix well. This is your zero point 0.05 normal NaOH solution. Now we will see the preparation of zero point 0.01 normal NaOH. Let us see by the example to prepare 100 ml of 0.01 normal NaOH solution. So we have formula N1V1 is equal to N2V2. So by substituting the values, we get 1 into V1 is equal to 0.01 into 100. And by calculating, we get V1 is equal to 1 ml. So 1 ml of stock solution is required. So pipette out 1 ml of 1 normal NaOH stock solution into a 100 ml volumetric flask. Carefully add distilled water up to the mark and mix well. And your 0.01 normal NaOH solution is ready. Thank you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment below which solution preparation you want next. Thanks for watching. Thank you. Bye.